Sayang, where we are?
Hi everyone! So today we are in Asiatique riverfront and we will watch sunset. It's beautiful weather today in Bangkok. Most of you have been asking what is the best time to come to Bangkok. This time, January. Look at beautiful sunset behind me, amazing.
Alright, so eventually we arrived to the Asiatique, very interesting place in Bangkok. This is a little bit of the tourist area, of course, but with the very rich history. And this is actually a very cool place to be in Bangkok, especially on the weekends. To come here, we came by BTS to Southern Taksim. We took the ferry for 30 bahts per person one way, which was actually very affordable and very nice views from the boat, what you can see actually right now on the screen, overlooking the sunset and the river in Bangkok. Okay, we're gonna explore now a little bit what's going on here. My first impression, a little bit similar to the Clarke Quay in Singapore. So many bars, and we even found out blah blah Bali. I don't know what does it mean. Seems like a Bali bar. It's beautiful sunset just by the river. All of these people actually waiting to go home for some reason, I don't know. We just arrived, and this is the bar, blah blah Bali. As you can see, what I mentioned before. Anyways, we're gonna explore around the area over here. This is like an old barracks here with the similar history, and there is like an old ship also here what is docked next to it. So many people. It's Sunday afternoon when we are filming it right now, with so many restaurants like this one here where they are prepared for you, with the beautiful waiters waiting as well at the front, and well, to the moon. Actually the name, Sail to the Moon. So it's actually a very cool place. We're gonna be outside until the sunset. Also there is the flywheel over there, and that's the name, Asiatique Riverfront. And well, what I'm gonna tell you, it's actually a pretty cool place to be. First time I'm visiting this place, but my first impression, I'm pretty impressed. Also there is the story of Asiatique, what was before. Maybe let's have a look quickly, yeah? So this is the story of the place. It's actually so much. Everything is in English, so you can read it later on. You can just pause the video right now and read it. I'm gonna try to show you. But also it's taking like a early 1801, like this one. Here we go. Beautiful sunset is gonna be finishing very soon. So many people coming here to making pictures, and I really impressed about this ship here also. Actually pretty cool place in Bangkok. Very highly recommended to come. Also this wheel looks pretty cool, and that must be a hotel or maybe the condominium, not sure. I think it's time to get inside the bar, Sayang. What do you think?
Let's explore what is inside actually.
So let's get inside Asiatique, the riverfront, inside the building. What is there? So many bars at the front, of course, like this one. There's the beautiful waitress waiting for you. Thank you. And inside is like this one. Actually, I think they're all restaurants and the bars in general everywhere around, but from the old hangar building. Sayang, this part of the ship or something is bigger than you. This was inside the engine, like. How cool is that,
very
right?
historical thing.
A lot of historical places and things here. Check this out. This is actually a real heavy metal part. Also some shops are still closed, I can see right now, people making pictures, though we're not gonna distract them. Sayang, behind you on the other side they're making nice pictures. How cool is that, right? This is the warehouses actually, warehouse 9, warehouse 8, warehouse 6, everywhere. And basically the restaurants and the bars, obviously. Actually, like I mentioned, my first impression, if I can compare to different countries, a little bit like a Clarke Quay in Singapore, I think, because it's also in the old hangars, and they have a very similar vibe and the atmosphere here. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool.
Asiatique nowadays mostly the place where you can hang out, and then we can shop, you can eat, you can, I don't know, probably theme park inside, I'm not sure, but mostly the place where can you eat and shop.
Eat and shop. There are actually shop sections now, as you can see. I think the theme park maybe not, but the wheel is for sure over there. Not sure about the theme park though, yeah. You can find the clothes, and also there are more clothes shops over there deep inside. There behind us are very beautiful steel statues, but there is a huge sign, no photos, I cannot show you, but trust me, beautiful. Come and have a look without the camera. There must be even Journey of Living museum somewhere. There are some shops with the healthy stuff, some oils, all of the stuffs. Very interesting massage place. Check this out, how they are doing the massages with the traditional way. Very actually interesting, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna zoom it a little bit, I hope so they don't mind. Like this one. This is the way what it can help you. And they are doing like this. I'm not sure if it's painful or not, but very interesting. Oh, and on the feet as well, like this. And this guy making himself on the leg. This is something what I never saw before. Yeah, but we can fix migraine as well. So maybe it's actually very good to come and have a look for that. But afterwards, this is like another tourist attraction place with the bags. Like you can buy the Bangkok bag and stuff like this one, the souvenirs. But if you don't want to visit the, like a huge market in Chatuchak, what we visit last week, you can probably come here and buy similar stuff. Just probably more expensive. Not probably, I can already tell you, more expensive. Sayang, your favorite cat is here with the Chinese porcelain. We should buy it one day, the cat for you. Yeah, thank you. Sunglasses here. Like a nice painting, style and stuff. All of the souvenir goods here. They're actually nice, I'm gonna tell you, but eventually it's actually a pretty nice place, very nice organized without the hustle and bustle like, sometimes in the other markets. So it's actually very cool. And also we saw so many nice bars. Probably later we're gonna come back when it's already dark, show you maybe it's busier and stuff like this one, but it's pretty cool. All right, what are you looking? Shopping something?
My eyes is everywhere.
I can see because so many dresses here and stuff. Okay. Some prices here, just in case if you ask, all of these dresses here in this regular bazaar cost you like 290 baht. So yeah, it's actually not that expensive. I'm gonna tell you about the clothes for ladies, guys. And this is the Asiatique from the street, main street, from the other side, obviously. Check out the decoration actually on the footpath, very nice. And well, busy obviously, and 7-Eleven and the big parking in case if you're coming by car. Yeah, 360 shots. I think we go inside shopping more, yeah?
Yeah, I think that there are two ways to come to Asiatique. If you go by the land like this one, so this is the big main road, or if you want to go by river taxi, yeah, honey?
Yeah, what we came last time. Okay,
so yeah,
let's come back. They also have a Calypso Bangkok, which is like cabaret show, I think so. Okay, cool.
So yeah, what I can say that in Asiatique you can find also entertainment show here like this one, you see, Calypso.
But even it's already January 2023 and it's so busy in Bangkok and in Thailand in general, still in this place seems like many businesses are closed and you can find actually the alley empty of the shops closed. So yeah, this is still the past pandemic times in Bangkok. Even here, still so many businesses are closed.
And even here in the middle of the market, we can see that there are some plot which is closed like this, and some are open. But mostly, what I can say, more than 50% still closed.
More than 50%, unfortunately. Okay, we get back where some people and clothes and everything.
Look at behind me. So I found where the crowd is actually here in the Asiatique Sky. Wow. I think that many people come here to Asiatique just wants to try that one, right, honey?
Maybe with the Chang as the sponsor, but it's actually pretty cool. Not sure if I want to try though, but it's beautiful. Oh, people making pictures. Also, you have some food trucks here. You could enjoy some snacks. And well, yeah, the wheel. Actually, quite many people waiting in the queue to go to the Sky wheel.
Oh, Thailand tallest Ferris wheel. It's called Ferris wheel.
And just in case if you ask why we don't want to go up there, do you still remember the cable cars from Malaysia, guys?
I got the motion sickness, so for this one probably we will not try. Or maybe Damian try by himself. I got motion sickness.
If we go together, the half of the Bangkok will hear you. Even the Soika boy will hear you. How you scream? Okay, but it's cool. Very nice, very nice. There's some information about the wheel here, and well, it's actually pretty big, especially if you are standing at the bottom of it. Looks like this one. Also, if you're interested about how much is the ticket, it's cost you 5,500 bahts for the adult, child 200. and yeah, stuff like this, open up to midnight. They have actually little theme park here, but more into actually like a horror, scary something park. Check this out. There's the guy, there is the spider, and there is like a ghost. So yeah, so cool.
Wow.
And with the wheel in the background like this one. Oh, and here you go. Here they have a nice carousel actually. Looks pretty, Saya. You wanna try carousel like for the small girls? No? But it's nice actually, beautiful. We're going out. There is the ship where we started with the already sky after the sunset, actually beautiful. But check this out, they also have a beautiful bars here. Look like a glass dome where you can have a drink or well, drink obviously, right? So nice. Actually many interesting things here to see and to do. So basically bar with the river and the skyscrapers, carousel and the wheel like this one. In case if I forgot to mention, this place is open since 5 p.m. every single day up to midnight. So more after sunset, more people coming here. As you can see, it's already packed right here, and I just really love this view of the ship and the orange sky. It's very beautiful, and also I can see already as the bars and the restaurants here are picking up. Also the bars have so much selections of the liquors here in Thailand. That's where all dabs, and this is like a attraction for the kids, the clown making the balloons. So you see, he make a little gun actually right now, so cool. So you can see attractions for everybody, for adults and for the kids, with the beautiful views. Probably we're gonna get, whoa! Oh, that was the balloon. Actually, I got scared. Sorry for this. Sorry, you got scared. That's only balloon. But let's get inside more into the warehouses. Where so many bars here. Also, probably one of the best places in Bangkok for having fish and chips or some seafoods here. Not sure though it's the best, but in the tourist area, definitely. And it's also picking up right now, I'm gonna tell you. And that's how does it look, the place after already the sunset, where all the lights on, well, more souvenirs, but also so many nice restaurants with the open air, as you can enjoy your dinner here. Yeah, very nice place actually. Not so wild, not so local-like, but a very enjoyable, that's for sure. Also not that, it's tourist place, but it's not like overcrowded, I gonna tell you, yeah? Like still enjoyable. There are some materials here and souvenirs, but next to it there are some nice dresses. Winny's having a look with the paints like this one for 100 baht.
Alright, so what a beautiful tourist attraction here guys in the Asiatique. So I think that's all our video today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!